Hello children. So in this video, first lesson continuation, I am going to explain for you. So what is the subtopic we are going to learn means electrical energy. We know that all things are made up of atoms. So atom possess particles like protons, electrons and neutrons. So movement of electron in the objects because on energy. See children what they given. So there are different types of the things we are using in our daily life. So everything will be made up of the smallest particle. The smallest particles only called as the atoms. Then atoms combine to form the molecules. Okay, even that atom possess some minute particles. Okay, atom only smallest particle. In the atom still some minute particles are present. What are the particles means protons, electron and then neutrons. Okay, so in this the movement of electrons only are called it as what means energy, that is the electrical energy. Okay, so this energy is called electrical energy. That means the movement of energy, the movement, okay, the movement of the particles, or otherwise you can say the movement of the electrons, it makes the energy. So that energy only are called it as what, the electrical energy. So in our daily life we use batteries to get electric energy. So நம்ம daily life la batteries use பண்றோம் for what purpose means to get the electrical energy. So electric energy is also generated from nuclear power plant, hydroelectric plants and windmills. Okay, so from these are the places into generating the electricity. What are means nuclear power plant, அதாவது ரேடியோ ஆக்டிவ் எலமெண்ட்டை வந்து அவங்க வந்து செப்பரேட் பண்ணி அதிலிருந்து, அதாவது ஃபிஷன் அப்படின்னா ஃபிஷன் ரியாக்ஷன், அதை வந்து பிரேக் பண்ணி அதிலிருந்து எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் எனர்ஜி ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஹைட்ரோ எலக்ட்ரிக் பவர் பிளான்ட்னா டேம்ஸ்ல இருந்து, சரிங்களா. விண்ட் மில் மீன்ஸ் ஆல்ரெடி ஐ டோல் டு யூ, அதுலேருந்து எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி வந்து ஜெனரேட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ இட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ ஜெனரேட் ஃப்ரம் த சோலார் எனர்ஜி. சோலார் எனர்ஜிலேருந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் எனர்ஜியை வந்து கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ இங்கே பாருங்கள், ஒன் ஆஃப் த இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் தி கிவன். ஸோ இட் வில் பி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். Electric eel generates electric energy. It uses this energy to defend itself against its predator. See children, this is the electric eel. Okay, so it is one of the aquatic organism. So what is that what is its speciality means it produces the electric energy. Okay, so what is the use of this electric energy for the eel means it is help to protect themselves from the predators. Predators means அதனோட enemy கிட்ட இருந்து அவங்க வந்து ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறது. யாராச்சும் வந்து எனிமீஸ் வந்தாங்களா பக்கத்தில் என்ன பண்ணும், அந்த எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி வந்து ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணும். அந்த எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி மூலயமா என்ன ஆகும், அந்த பக்கத்தில் வர ஆர்கானிசம் வந்து என்ன ஆகுனாக்கா affect ஆகும், டெத் ஆகிடும். நெக்ஸ்ட் we are going to learn about the uses of electric energy. So electric energy is needed for the working of fan, light, television, washing machine, refrigerators, etc. So this electric energy will be used for various purposes. Many electronic things works with the help of the electric energy. So certain examples will be given here: fan, washing machine, light, television, etc. Next thing, electric iron box, electric stove and electric water heater work by electrical energy. So these are the devices also: electric stove, electric water heater. These and all I think that you know the meaning. These also works with the help of the electricity. Next, it is used to run cars and then trains. Nowadays they introduce no electric train and also the electric cars, even bus also they will be nowadays used to work with the, or run with the help of the electricity. Next, it is used to it is used in factories to produce மெட்டீரியல்ஸ். ஃபேக்ட்ரிஸில் வந்து நிறைய மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. அது எப்படி அந்த ஃபேக்ட்ரிஸில் எப்படி ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோன்னா, பை யூஸிங் சர்டன் இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் அதர்வைஸ் சர்டன் மெஷின்ஸ். தட் மெஷின்ஸ் வில் பி ஒர்க் வித் த ஹெல்ப் ஆஃப் த எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி. ஸோ இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்கள், எலக்ட்ரிக் ட்ரெயின், ஃபேன், சரிங்களா. அது மாதிரி ஒரு சில திங்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து மூவ் ஆகிறதுக்கு இல்லை ஒர்க் ஆகிறதுக்கு எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி வந்து ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. Next topic you are going to learn about the chemical energy. So what is the chemical energy means? Chemical energy is stored in substances when atoms join together to form chemical compounds. See children, this type of the energy where it was present means in the substances. in which form it was present, how it was present means, so all the substances made up of atom already I told no. So the atom joined together form a compound, chemical compound. So in that compound form only the energy will be stored in the what? In the substances. Next, when two or more chemical substances react with each other, this energy is released. When from the substances into the energy will be released out means when one substance will be reacting with the another substance. Okay, or two or more substance reacting themselves, and during that condition it form the products and as well as release the energy. Okay. Next, what are the uses of the chemical energy? So that first point, the food we eat contains chemical energy. Okay, நம்ம சாப்பிட்ற சாப்பாட்டில் என்ன இருக்குது? chemical energy. For example, rice if you are taking is carbohydrate. அதில் என்னென்ன இருக்கும்? கார்பன், ஹைட்ரஜன், அந்த மாதிரி ஆக்சிஜன், அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சில கெமிக்கல் காம்பனன்ட்ஸ்லாம் இருக்குது. ப்ளஸ் இட் ப்ரொவைட்ஸ் த எனர்ஜி. நெக்ஸ்ட் திங், chemical energy in wood provides heat energy which help us to cook food. wooden pieces நம்ம burn பண்ணும்போது அதுலேருந்து என்ன எனர்ஜி ரிலீஸ் ஆகும்னாக்கா heat energy. Okay, so even it is also contained the chemical energy. That chemical energy only converted into the heat energy. It is helpful for the cooking of the food substances. Okay, next, chemical energy in the uh, chemical energy in coal is used to generate, sorry children, chemical energy in coal is used to generate electricity. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு கோல் தெரியும் இல்லைங்களா? இதுதான் கோல், சரிங்களா? இது என்ன எதுக்காக யூஸ் ஆகுதுன்னா இதுலேருந்து எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி வந்து நம்ம ஜெனரேட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக யூஸ் ஆகுது. இதை உட்டன் பீசஸ், இதை பேர்ன் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்குது? இதுலேருந்து ஹீட் எனர்ஜி வந்து ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகுதுன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு, பேட்டரிஸ் வி யூஸ் இன் அவர் daily life contains chemical energy. So this is the battery. Okay, in car we are using the automobile vehicles, we are using the battery. It contains the stored form of the chemical energy. It will be converted into the electrical energy and will be help to movement of the vehicles. Next, fuels like petrol and diesel possesses chemical energy which is used to run vehicles. அதாவது fossil fuels, what are the example? Means petrol, diesel, kerosene, this and all. Even it is also has the chemical energy. These are the fuels will be helpful for movement of the vehicles. Next, we are going to learn about conservation of the energy. The next subtopic we are going to learn about conservation of energy. So energy cannot be created and it cannot be destroyed also. It is changed from one form to another form or transfer from one object to another object. So we can say many examples for conservation of energy in our daily life. See children, what is the conservation of energy means? Very simple. We cannot create the energy and we cannot destroy the energy. That is only call it as what a conservation of the energy. So from that into what you can understand means one form of the energy can be transferred to the another form. Okay, and also certain example for that one form of the energy will be converting into another form. Now for that very many examples we can see in our daily life. So here they given law of conservation of energy. What is the law of conservation of energy? Asking means this is the answer you want to give. So law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. So one form of energy is converted into another form of energy. So this law was given by Julius Robert Mayer. See children, so what he was said, one form of the energy is converted into the another form. For example, in the iron box, electric energy is converted into the heat energy. In water heater, electric energy is converted into the heat energy. Okay, so like that various examples you can give. Even in the light, electrical energy is converted to the light energy. Like that one form of the energy is converted into another form. So during the conversion, energy will be not lost or it cannot be produced excess quantity. So that is only called as what a law of conservation of energy. So next subtopic, water dam. So water stored in water dams possess potential energy. So when water falls down, potential energy of water is converted into kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of water rotates the turbines and electric energy is generated. See children, from the water dam into how we are producing the electricity. So we are known already studied water dam. Water, what will be happening in the dam? It will be store it and keeping, isn't it? The stored form of the water has potential energy. So when the dam was open, the water will be falling down or fell down. So when it was fell down, the water potential energy is converted into the kinetic energy. So kinetic energy of the this kinetic energy is there now. What will be doing means it start to rotate. Kinetic energy of water rotates the turbine. Turbine was placed in between the water falling places, and then with the help of the turbine will be moving. It will be produce the or generate the electricity. See children, so this diagram will be very clearly explained. Okay, how from the water dam into the electricity will be generated. Okay, see, this is the stored form of the energy. It contains potential energy. Okay, this water when it was fell down, okay, it will be the potential energy will be converted to the kinetic energy. So in this place only we have placed the turbine. This is only called as the turbine, children. So when water will be continuously falling, it will be started to rotate. Okay, the turbine will be started to rotate. So this turbine will be connected with the generator. So it will be help to generate the electricity. Okay, then after generating means nothing but producing the electricity. So after producing from the generator into the electricity will be passed to the transformer. Okay, then from the transformer to will be passed to the distributor. Okay, from the distributor into will be passing to the poles. Pole na kambam. Then from the pole into different parts, it may be the offices, houses, then that places you are using the electricity. Okay, the next you are going to learn about electrical appliances. Electrical appliances means the things it was working with the help of the electrical energy. See, electric energy is used in many domestic appliances such as electric stove, iron box and fan. So in our house we are using different types of the electrical things. What are the first certain things they will be given? Stove, iron box and then fan. Even you can give many example: refrigerator, electric stove, okay, etc., etc. Next, electric energy flows into the coil in the devices. So the current flows, it heats up the coil. Okay, with the help of this heat energy, we do many useful work. See children, everyone saw the iron box, isn't it? That iron box connected. It is the iron box. From one end to into that wire will be connected, and then it will be has the plug. So inside of this iron box, if you're seeing means in this part inside, if you're seeing means it will be has the coil. Coil means around like structure of the wires. So with the help of the plug, okay, or through the wire, conducting wire, electricity will be passed when you are switched on, and then in the coil will be become a heat. Then with the help of the heat, we can make our dress iron. Okay, so like that different types. Even water heater also the same manner. It will be has the coil. So when you are switched on, the coil will be become a heat. Then from from the coil into the heat energy will be passed to the water, and then water can become a hot water. Okay, the next thing, so like that you can give various example. Next, thus electrical energy is converted into heat energy. Electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy in fan, then light energy in bulb, and sound energy in the computer. See children, so from that into what you understood, electrical energy will be converted into the different forms of the energy. So in this iron box, electrical energy will be converted to the heat energy. Here in the computer, electrical energy will be converted into the light and then sound energy. We are known, we can see the pictures, and also you can able to hear the voice. In the electric bulb, electrical energy will be converted into the light energy. Here electrical energy will be converted into the mechanical energy. Okay, the next subtopic we are going to learn driving a car. So we use fuel in the form of petrol or diesel or gas to run vehicles. So if you want to drive the car means definitely we need the fuels. So the fuels, it may be you are using it in the form of the petrol or diesel or otherwise gas. So when this fuel burns in the engine, chemical energy is converted into heat energy. So that petrol, diesel, or it may be gas. What will be happening? It undergo the combustion reaction. There is a burning reaction. So with the help of that one, the chemical energy is converted to the heat energy. Then burning fuel produces hot gases which pushes the piston in the engine to move the vehicle. See children, when heat will be produced, what is the other changes will be happening means, okay, the burning fuel produce hot gases now. That gases pushes the piston. The piston was present in the engine. Okay, so with that pushes of the piston helps to movement of the vehicle. Okay, so thus heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. Here what will be happening? The heat energy is converted, no, it will be help to movement of the vehicles. Okay, next here one of the important points given, photosynthesis changes solar energy into the chemical energy. So sunlight observe பண்ணிட்டு அது என்னவா மாறும், ஃபுட் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணாலே அது chemical energy மாறுதுன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. See children, in this diagrammatically they explained conservation of energy. That means what is the conservation you are known. One form of the energy will be, energy cannot be created, cannot be destroyed, but one form of the energy will be converted into the another form. So the conversion of the energy from one form into another form only called it as the conservation of energy. So they will be explained very clearly with the help of this diagram. Here the chemical energy, it is nothing but food provides. Okay, food has the chemical energy, so that is taken by the girl or a human being. It will be converted into the energy. That energy will be helpful for to do the various kinds of the work. And then here chemical energy, it will be converted into the different forms. It is helpful for the mechanical energy. Here converted into the mechanical energy, then electrical energy, and then electrical. So another type also electrical energy. Okay, here this electrical energy will be helpful for both chemical energy, and then electrical energy will be converted to the kinetic energy. It is helpful for the movement of the car. Okay, and then the chemical energy is converted to the electrical energy in the transformer. Okay, this electrical energy will be helpful for various purposes. For example, light and sound making in the computer, and also light energy. So to make the bulb, okay, to glow the bulb, it will be useful. So like that one form of the energy will be converted to the different form. Thank you children.